Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the iOS 15 software public beta profile onto your iOS device. For this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on this iPhone 6s, which is the minimum supported device for iOS 15. These steps will also work for all iPadOS devices, and doing this will enable you to install the iOS 15 public beta onto your device. So let's get straight into it. So the first step is to go to your browser, in this case Safari, and type in beta.apple.com. It also works if you go to apple.com/beta, but in this case, you can do either of them. So now we scroll down and then click either sign up if you're not already a member, but if you've done this before for iOS 14 betas, for example, you can just click sign in. So now you just sign in with your Apple ID. So once you're signed in, you'll see a page similar to this. It says Guide for Public Betas, and there's it's already on iOS for you, but you can also beta test iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, and also watchOS. So you've got a few options there for the public betas. So we'll just scroll down. There's some information about getting started and providing feedback. I definitely recommend providing feedback because that does help Apple with the final release. So if you have any problems, do provide feedback in the feedback app. So we'll just enroll the iOS device. And then it says that it recommends archiving a backup, which is definitely a good idea because if something goes wrong, then you've got a backup of all the data, because you will need to factory reset all your data to iOS 14 if something does go wrong on this beta. And I'd also recommend doing this on a secondary device so that if something goes wrong, you've still got your main device that's working fine. So once you've done that, you can go to the install profile section, and then we'll just click the blue download profile button. Then we just click allow when you see this pop up. And then it will say profile downloaded. So just click close and then go to your settings. So we'll go to general, scroll down, and then see the profile button under VPN. Now you'll see the download profile. We'll click it and then click install. It'll ask for your passcode, and then it will ask for your consent. Just click install and then click install. Now you'll need to restart your iPhone to apply the changes, so we'll do that now. And then once your iPhone has restarted, go back to Settings, General, then you can scroll down and see that the profile is installed for iOS 15 beta software profile. So we'll go back and now go to Software Update, and it will check for updates. Now, if this has worked successfully, you should see once this loads, the iOS 15 public beta show up and ready for download. Now, it is a pretty large file, so do be aware of that. And as you can see, it says iOS 15 public beta 2, and it's 4.34 gigabytes, which is very large for a beta download. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi for that, and be warned that additional charges may apply. So just check that before you do download this. And then once you download it, it will install and you'll set it up, and then you'll have the iOS 15 public beta. So that's it on how to install the beta profile on your device and how to get the public beta running on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Hopefully this was helpful and you have some good success with getting iOS 15 public beta on your device. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.